Hey, what's up, everybody? All right, let me show you how to do the brain pop because I don't think I've taught you guys how to do the brain pop. So, first things first, you're gonna do everything on here. You're gonna do the spelling test. You're gonna do the spelling test. You click on there, watch the video, and type the words. You're gonna create a sentence using two proper nouns. Do it in Spanish. Vas a escribir una oración con los nombres propios. All right, and then you're gonna click on view question, and you're gonna type it on there. Go click on Edpuzzle, hear the story, and then answer the questions. If you did not finish the Hispanic Heritage Month project, go ahead and finish the Hispanic Heritage Month project. Then you're going to click on Edpuzzle again. You're going to watch this video on Fernando Valenzuela. He's the Mexican-American pitcher that played for the Dodgers. And it's just a really cool video, and there's a couple questions on there. Then you're going to click on the Brain Pop link. All right, so you click on the Brain Pop link. Let's say I also log out, right? Let's say when I click on it, it looks like this. You click on login. It's going to say G Suite or it's going to say Google. You click on it and you put your stuff in there. Just give it a second. Okay, and then it logs you in. Then it might look like it logged you out. You got to click on dashboard. It's going to look like it logged you out. I promise you. It's going to look like you need to sign in again. But at the top, it's going to say dashboard. You click on dashboard. And then once you click on dashboard, you're going to see the video right here. You click on it. It's going to be the Cesar Chavez video. So yours is going to look like this. You watch the video, the movie, and then you do the vocabulary. Now in the vocabulary, you got two choices. You can watch the video again, or you can use a dictionary to write the definition and then write the sentence. Okay? Go ahead and do all of them. If you don't do all six of them, and if you don't finish, you're gonna have to finish up on Monday. But I want this done. All right. And then when you're done with that, you're gonna do 2 lessons on Imagine Learning. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to type any questions on there, and I can help you out. And like I said, just let me know if you have any questions. All right. Thank you.